Today we are learning how to get into Cobra pose. You'll only need a yoga mat. No other equipment is necessary. Let's get started. Slide down onto your mat and roll over onto your belly. Coming all the way down to your mat, the legs are going to be long, in line with the hips, and hug the elbows in, placing the forearms and the palms on the floor by the shoulders. Release the head forward. Feel those collarbones draw nice and wide. And find a little scoop of the belly to engage your abdominals here. Glutes are engaged here slightly. Take a big exhale. As you inhale, begin to roll the nose away to lengthen and lift that sternum away from your mat. Feel those palms drawing towards you, and your eye gaze should be at the top of your mat. You should not crank your neck to look forward. That'll make your neck feel very bad. Don't do that. Keep those collarbones nice and wide and slowly bring it back down. On your inhale, roll the nose away, lengthen and lift. Now, if you want to go a little deeper, you can slide those forearms forward just a little more so the elbows are underneath the shoulders. Again, keeping your eye gaze at the front of your mat. Avoid taking that gaze forward and cranking into your neck and dumping into the shoulders here. You're pressing out of that mat and keeping that little scoop of the belly here so that you don't get cranked into the low back as well. Hold this for a few breaths, and then when you're ready to come down, simply lower back down onto those forearms, take the hands back to the shoulders, and press back to go into a resting child's pose. As always with yoga, be sure that you do an appropriate warm-up before you get into these poses. And when you are there, be sure that you hold for a few breaths until you're ready to safely come out. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.